Hey guys, it's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to be learning how to make a lace front wig. I've been so excited to film this video and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So the things you're going to need your dome cap. You're also going to need, of course, a mannequin head. You will be needing a scissors, and I do apologize, my mannequin head is abused. You're going to need a hair clip or hair clips. You're going to need T-pins. I did purchase all my products from literally like the local beauty supply store, and everything cost me less than $30. You're going to need, of course, your needle and thread. For my needle, I like the curved needles. I love the curved needles, and I like using the nylon thread. And of course, our bundles. So this hair is sponsored by Nadula hair, and this is my video on how I make the wig. So first thing first, you're going to take out your dome cap from the packaging, and you're gonna want to put it on your mannequin head. My mannequin head was really stubborn and did not want to put this damn dome cap on, but don't worry guys, I managed to get it on. And once the mannequin head has your dome cap on, next thing you would like to do is size on the frontal, on how you want the frontal to lay on the mannequin head. Sizing the frontal, recommendation, you want to be very, very patient because it does take time to get it to perfection. I did not learn this until like my third frontal wig. Making my third frontal wig was when I learned I want to be very, very, very patient and take my time when it comes to laying down the bad boy. After that, you want to see to make sure everything is online together. Literally, like, it takes patience. Honestly and truly, making the frontal, just the frontal itself, takes extreme patience. And as you guys can see, I take my sweet time. I had to do this at least 3 times in order to get it the way I want it to lay, because I don't want it to be too tight and I don't want it to be too big for my head. So next thing, I already made my needle, and I'm going to go in by sewing on the frontal to the dome cap. So what you want to do when you're sewing is you want to make sure that you are being very timid and gentle and not sewing the elastic on the dome cap to the frontal, because if you do, when you try to put on the frontal, it's going to be too tight. So of course, my sewing pattern is very literally not complicated. As you guys can see, it's just going in and through, in and through, in and through, literally in and through. I do this throughout the frontal to sew down the frontal. One thing I noticed when I first did this video is it is very hard filming a frontal wig without a wig stand. I have those table wig stands on my table, on my vanity table. That's why you guys see the cluster in the background. But I kind of like the background. It's cute. It's not too, bougie, but it's cute or whatever. But yeah, so making this frontal wig, you want to be very, just the frontal in general, like I said, you want to be very timid and you want to take your time. Don't rush it. The video, of course, is sped up, and after I was done making the frontal the first time, I had to take it apart because it wasn't even on both sides. So this is my second time doing it. And the moment I realized it is the way I wanted to do it, and I just finished sewing up the frontal. Some people like to sew on the frontal and glue the rest of the hair with weave glue or glue gun. I don't do that. So our first bundle is our 22-inch. And of course, this is the Brazilian curly hair from Nadula. This hair is super duper soft. I literally love it. I know you guys are gonna like how we go in to make this wig. So all I do is I unroll the bundles, and I don't do the double weft. I single the weft. So I literally spread out the hair because I wanted this hair to be full. I wanted it to be extremely full. And I like to take my hair at the back to literally the end of the dome cap, simply because when I put it up in a ponytail or when I put it up in a bun, you will not be able to see the dome cap at the back. So that's what I like to accomplish. And once again, do remember, when you are sewing on the bundles onto the wig cap, you want to as well take your sweet time. Don't rush it. Once again, this video is sped up, and just take your time, simply because I have this habit of whenever I'm making the wig, I tend to sew on the band at the back, and it just makes the wig tight. And what I like to do is I don't cut my bundles. I just go left to right, and then when I'm going back to the left side, I just fold it. And during the fold, you want to be very careful so it doesn't have a little bump. So you want to literally go on that little fold at least 2 or 3 times with the needle. It's gonna make it flat. That is the best advice I can give you when it comes to sewing on the bundles, literally when it comes to sewing on the bundles. And as you guys can see how flat I got that little corner right there, very, very flat as I can. And another thing I like to personally do is that when I'm sewing my bundles, I like to bring them as close to each other as possible. Why? Because once again, you want the hair to be very, very full. This hair is curly Brazilian, and literally one bundle was at least half of the hair, and I was so surprised. Like, one bundle literally fill up half of the wig, and I was like, wow, this is gonna be like the most poppin' wig ever, because my bundle's about to be popping, about to be full. Anybody gonna ask me, you got bundles missing or not, sis? But yeah, you want to be very, very timid and gentle when it comes to you sewing literally the bundles, and it's literally common sense. I'm just going back and forth. When I get to the end, I fold and I do the same thing all over again. When you guys see, when I get to the top, you see like how much one bundle literally fills on this dome cap. Like, one bundle did me justice. I feel like personally, if I spaced it out, I could have passed off with 2 bundles, but like I said, I didn't want to do 2 bundles because I want it to be full, so I used all 3 bundles, and I'm just literally doing the same method over and over again. Like I said, once again, some people like to glue in their bundles and some people like to sew their bundles. I am a sewer. I've never made a wig where I glued the bundles. I'm not the one to glue my bundles. I like to sew. I actually like sewing. If I could be a tailor, I probably would. But yeah, guys, so I'm literally like rambling because I'm just doing the same thing over and over again. And then we're going to go into the second bundle. So I messed up when I was making this wig, because what I just realized was the first bundle I put on was my 20-inch bundle. And then the second bundle I put on top is my 22-inch bundle, which I realized after I was done making the wig that after I was done making the wig and I put it on, I'm like, why is the back so much longer than the middle of the hair and whatnot? But honestly, it did play itself out, because when I comb it out and whatnot, it works in my favor. So as you guys can see, I'm on the second bundle, and see how much the first bundle filled up the hair. A lot. So the Nadula curly Brazilian curly hair is literally true to its gram. Like, it is filling of it's just amazing. Like, I am not even trying to sugarcoat it, because this all opinion are mine. I'm not getting paid to bullshit you guys or give you guys false reviews. They did send me the hair, but all the review and opinions are all mine. This is just me making the wig. You guys will definitely see a video soon of how I style the wig and also how I lay the frontal wig on my head. I'm planning on making a lot more hair video. Like I said, I've been a little triggered lately on my channel because YouTube has some new bullshit they're pulling about new YouTubers or YouTubers with low subscribers will not be getting their video monetized anymore. So guys, please watch my video. I would really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And also, please subscribe. Send this to your mama, your sister, your hairdresser who wants to learn how to make a bomb-ass unit for you. Yes, please send it to them. Yeah, guys, so I'm literally just putting on the second bundle. Like I said, I did it in 20 was my first bundle in the bottom, and then I did a 22, and then I put the 18 on the top. So when I got to the top of the hair, I started going in a U. So the U from the bottom now just got smaller, as you guys can see. So I'm just going in the U, and I'm still doing the fold. I literally didn't cut any bundle until my last 2 rows. Yes, I don't know why. I like my wig to lay like that. I don't like cutting it, simply because if I want to reuse the hair or use the hair again, if I already did all that cutting, it just defeats the purpose. Literally defeats the purpose, and it's just whack. So I just don't bother cutting it. So as you guys can see, I'm going into the last bundle, and you guys see where 2 bundles got me, and that's me being really timid and putting them close together. When I tell you I literally used all 3 bundles and a frontal, I used all 3 bundles and a frontal because I wanted this hair to be precisely full AF. You guys know when you see those super curly hair people and their hair just look like a wild lion? Yeah, that's the effect I was going for. But yes, guys, so I'm just literally going in, just sewing in the last bundle. I don't know if you guys have any suggestions of hair company you would like to see me work with, or hair review you guys would like to see me do. Please let me know. Feel free to share this video once again with your mama, your sister, your brother, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, anybody in your house. I do apologize, this video is going up late. I've been literally busy with life outside of YouTube, which I'll keep you guys updated on real soon, real soon. But yeah, and you guys can see I am still sewing and threading this hair away. When I got to the top, I want to be very timid once again, and I'm just literally doing them, as you guys can see, in small thread lengths. I'm not trying to do them big because I was taking my time. Making this wig took me about an hour and a half, but I figured it was going to take me longer because I was filming it and I wanted to like be precise. I didn't want to miss anything. But yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm at the top now and I'm still folding. Yes, still folding. I haven't cut yet. I don't think I have a clip of when I do cut the hair, but I am at the top and I'm just folding, literally still doing the whole pattern in a U. Just in case anybody wonders, the frontal is bleach. I did bleach the frontal. If you guys want to see a video of how I bleach my closures and frontal, I'll definitely leave that in the description box below, or you can click the little pin bottle thing that pops up on top of the screen to check out how I do accomplish that. And then when I was done, I literally just take one last strand and I go in a row of what's left of the hair just to literally like sew one strand of hair, so you don't see where the bundles and the frontal separates. It just looks like one. Yes, the video is sped up, so like it's not complicated. You literally just take your last strand and you just do a straight row where everything separates each other. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys did enjoy this me making this wig video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to be making a lot more hair video in 2018, and I hope you guys kick it with me and rock it with me. If you guys did like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you share with your auntie, your uncle, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your nephew, your cousin, anybody you want to share it with. So this is what the wig literally looks like when I'm done. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I do make a video. And if you're not following me on any of my social media, of course, it's going to pop up on the screen. So make sure you add me, follow me. Let's become best of friends. Thank you guys always for all the love and all the support. And I will see you guys all in my next video. And I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. Bye.